Hi, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to enable two-step verification on your WhatsApp. This two-step verification helps your WhatsApp to be secured and protected from hackers and scammers, and they cannot easily log into your account and have access to your WhatsApp account for any reason, because WhatsApp will demand for your two-step verification pin, which they cannot provide because it is only you that knows about the pin. So there are few steps you have to take in order to enable this two-step verification on your WhatsApp. The first is to click on the three dot found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. Click on account. Click on two-step verification. So I have already set my, that is why I have the screen like this. But if you haven't, just click on change pin, then type in the pin you want and confirm the same pin. Click on the save option and it's going to automatically save on your device as your two-step verification pin for WhatsApp. So for that reason, your WhatsApp is secured and cannot be hacked. So guys, that is it on how to enable two-step verification on WhatsApp. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.